Alright, this is roll. I'm going to make something for my mom. Patio base, you know, for the umbrellas. Ones you buy, they fall apart. They're junk. I've been asked to repair them. But check out what I do and what I'm going to do. Alright, check this out. This is what we got. Here we got us. Everybody's got these. It's an old disc brake drum laying around. See this? This is a chunk of wood. See that? I got the wood. See that? That's what we do. Just go ahead and mark this. And I'm going to drill it with the appropriate hole saw. Bolt this to this. And oil it all up. Call it good. You'll see. Because we be handling things up in this one, girl. That's right. Alright, you seeing that? Seeing this? Here's the hole where it's gonna be. Here's the hole saw. Ryobi. It goes basically like that. See what I'm saying? I will continue. Stop. Alright, so there it is. Drilled the hole with power. See, with power, hogged it out. That's the kind of guy I am. See that? Hogged it out. Alright. Next, I'm going to cut this at about like this. Cut it about like so. And bolt this to the aforementioned disc brake. This right there. And then I'll oil it up and it'll all be nice. I'll probably use some lag bolts. Something like this. Everybody's got these laying around with a couple washers. Be good to go and it ain't gonna break. Not like that shit you get at wherever you go get that stuff that's junk. This is all 100% American made by an American made American. Yeah. Alright. So let's see. There's a Sawzall. Should let my neighbor buy me some new blades because I burned up the ones I needed. So I'll try to make do with what I got. And cut this about right here. And then the center will fall out. And then bolt this to the aforementioned that. Right there. That's what I'm talking about. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah, shit, what anybody else talking about. Yeah. Oh, now all it's going. Yeah, I guess so. So here's the one, the aforementioned. See that? We'll just drill another hole from the other side into there. Pop that center out. Bolt this on here, like so. And that'll be a base for my mom's patio umbrella, because it goes through the slots in the table part of it, but it needs a base to hold it down, give it some, you know, foundation. So I'm doing it. Alright, okay, this is roll. We got the hole hogged out. All I used was this hole saw, drilled it in. It only went so far, so I took this drill bit, ran that into the same hole, came out the other side, and I finished it off with this. But it didn't really want to come out because there was probably a little bit still sticking, and the wood is tough. I hear pound for pound it's stronger than steel. I guess it depends on the wood, but Just saying. So I use this. And I just hammered one around like this. And then I did a couple in the middle like this. And then I just slid this on over here. Hit it with the hammer. And there it was. See that? Alright. Now, so this is the screws. Just found these. You know, everybody's got this stuff. So I got 3 of these lock washers. And they fit up through the bottom. See, like that. They stick out like so. And then, see that? And this will go on top, like that. See that? Use either side. I'll probably use the side that's flatter. I'll push these through. These fit really good. See that? Set that on there like this. This is imitating the thing for the umbrella, and it'll be like that. See that? So you get to recycle one of these old front disc rotors from a car. You know, they always throw these out, give you a new one, or you do it yourself. I do stuff myself. But this should last a long time. And then I'll just coat it with some old motor oil. You know, it's always good to save some of that. And it'll probably last for 25 years. Who knows, you know? Oil it every 5 years or something. It'll be good to go. This is pepperwood from a pepperwood tree. See? There's the log right there, if you can see it. And I cut a couple extra pieces just for good measure. Because it's good to have a good measure. Alright, so let me drill a couple holes, slather some oil, and cruise on up to Mom's and hook it up there on the front patio. This. Okay, so here it is. Base for my mom's umbrella. Bolted together, oiled with leftover motor oil, and rustic to boot. Should last, I don't know, 20 years, I don't know. A long time. There you have it. This is rolling overtones and undertones. Here's the finished product. There it is. Base. We repurposed a brake rotor. Cut a section, 2-inch section from a log from a tree that the neighbors cut down, said I could have. And Mom should like that. Rolling overtones and undertones. Everything's music. When you know why, then you know.